what's up? It's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My channel is all about making money online, where I review top IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So, if you are interested in making money online, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. We, me, and you are on the road to success, okay, baby? Today, I am reviewing this product called Money Grub. Money Grub is a step-by-step training showing you how to make money using your YouTube channel. 3 of the most profitable online affiliates and vendors have came together to help you make money online. I have also went through this product myself, and it has increased my marketing skills. So I want you to get in the game and start making money online. So if you're interested in making money online, make sure you stay into the very end, because I will be going into the members area so you will know exactly what you're getting yourself into. And on top of that, I will be exposing my super duper incredible bonuses that I have for you guys today at a limited time offer. So only if you are interested in making money online, make sure you stay into the end so you will not miss a thing. Let's get into this review. Hey my loves, we are on the sales page of Money Grub. So I just want to give you a little like an overview of what this has to offer, just a little bit, because I want to like go right into the members area after this. Okay, so here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting when it comes out to you using Money Grub to make money online. So no prior experience needed at all. Without any tech skill knowledge, you don't need it. Like, you can make money without any prior tech skill knowledge. You are going to be receiving a step-by-step training, and you're going to be put on to free software. Like, who don't like free software? And guess what? You get results or your money back guaranteed. Okay, baby. You will be able to try this out for the next 30 days. Okay. Right here we have Justin, Mark, and Kaleem, the masterminds behind this Money Grub right here, baby. They are scaling their YouTube channel, making money through YouTube, through reviews, the proper way. Okay. And down here we are this is a video giving you a little insight of the members area of Money Grub. So if you want to like watch this video, you totally can. You can go through my link in my description or in my comments and hit up my bonus page and hit buy now, and it will send you to this page right here so you can watch this video. All right, and here are some testimonials of the guys' income and what they have made using this tactics they are sharing with you today. We had testimonials, you know me right there. Yes, I told you these guys help your girl out. And we have more testimonies right there. And right here, introducing Money Grub. This is a cutting edge software for launch jacking promotions, secret strategies to rank higher than your competition, unlimited versatilities to promote anything you want 24/7 to your targeted buyers, your targeted audience. Oh my goodness. Best thing ever. And this is totally newbie friendly, step-by-step training, and baby VIP support to ensure your success without upfront costs, without experience, without any risk, guys. I want to show you their bonuses, because they're giving away bonuses too. Okay, it's not just my bonuses you will be receiving, but they have bonuses for you too. So you got profit abundance, you got LinkedIn profits, you have Profit Mania, and you have Coin Smash and Commission Blast. These are the 5 bonuses that your guys Mark, Justin, and Kaleem will give to you guys for absolutely free. Let's go into the members area, because I've been on the sales page for like 3 minutes now. All right, This is like one of the best parts of the video because this is the inside of the product itself. And the super duper best part is the end because that's my bonus page. It's mine. But let's get into the Money Grub review and the inside of what it has to offer. So on the left hand side, you will be giving everything you need to know about this strategy. These guys have like perfected throughout their time in their like consistent practice. Okay, so you got Justin, you got Kaleem, and you got Mark right here. They are giving you guys a super duper big and warm welcome. Make sure you subscribe to these guys' channel. Find them on Facebook. They have links for you guys right here. So make sure when you get into Money Grub, make sure you hit them up on their YouTube channel, okay? All right, so on the right hand side, you got log out. You can log in and log out, and then you have your support, and then you just got the dashboard. We are on the dashboard already, so this is support for you guys. Okay, so let's get into it for rough. So we got the welcome, we got the introduction, and we have product reviews. So they're not just helping you like set up your product reviews. They're helping you like do your product reviews. They help you say the right things. They helping you like getting yourself comfortable when it comes down to making reviews, putting yourself on camera. It's like a mastermind prep class. It's super duper dope. They're putting you on to free screen recording devices. You got Screencast-O-Matic and you got OBS Studios, and they have a how to install and use these free devices. And then they're showing you how to find products to promote, guys, okay? Because this is all about the launch tracking technique, and they're showing you how to do what they're doing and make sure you are getting a profitable online business with their tactics, okay? And then you have how to set up your YouTube channel like properly when it comes down to title, thumbnail, description, and they give you an update. Well, they give you a heads up on TubeBuddy. This TubeBuddy is like a software. It's compatible with YouTube, so they're giving you like everything you need when it comes down to you ranking on YouTube, getting your videos to the top, and getting your videos noticed. Right here. Here's this is what I was just talking about. They're helping you get your videos ranked. So this is ranking your YouTube videos and your account, baby. So they're showing you how to get and keep audience retention, how to embed videos, how to add an end screen, maximize your engagement signals, and use Userin and YouTube Shorts, how to utilize your YouTube Shorts. I don't know if you guys noticed, but YouTube is pushing Shorts just like Instagram is pushing Shorts because they're in combo with Snapchat. So yes, guys, make sure you are using your Shorts to get your channel to the highest limits it can go. All right, so you have Muncheye. They're showing you where you can go to find the most and recent products to review. Then you have a step-by-step tutorial and training with Warrior Press and JVZoo set up. Okay, right here is how to create a bonus page, baby. You're going to be giving a good and brief detailed reason on why we create bonus pages as an affiliate, and you're going to be directed to grab a commission gorilla account. After that, you will be instructed on how to build a bonus page from scratch, absolutely from scratch, and adding the CTA button countdown timer for urgency. You will be also given instructions on how to edit that background and adding products, image, and details in OTOs upsells. On top of that, you will be giving a tutorial on how to do bonus thumbnails and keeping it legit with your customers and your future buyers, guys. You have SEO final check, adding your bonuses, and cloning and editing your your bonus account. And then you have extra Chrome extensions and softwares so you can use and utilize your online business. And then you have that case study from real users. You have all the upgrades they will be giving and all those 5 bonuses that I went over in the sales page. Okay, baby. This is freaking dope because it's not just one person. It's 3 people giving you their tips and tricks on how they gotten to a successful online business, a profitable online business. But let's go over to the best part. The best part, it's my bonus page. It's my bonus page. Baby, my bonuses will come down January 28th, okay, on a Friday. I think like 4 days, I believe. Yep, 4 days. I was right. 4 days until it come down. If you come on my page and you see all of these numbers like 0, you cannot get my bonuses. I'm sorry, baby, but it's gone. I told you 4 days, and I'm so serious. It's 4 days. So make sure you grab this money grub so you can grab my bonuses and start making that money online, okay? All of us could eat. We all could eat. I want to go straight to my bonuses. Then I'm going to come back with the upsells and prices, okay? So bonus number 1, 0 to profit with printables. Get 0 to profit with printables to generate sales on autopilot with this underground technique and strategy, baby. Then we got upsell number 2, Printly. Get Printly. Learn how to sell digital items to keep your conversions coming back so you will have an evergreen profit. Then we have bonus number 3, how to write headlines that sell. Okay, I gave you the templates and tips and tricks on how to sell printables, but how do you write a headline to get people attention? I got you right here. How to write headlines that sell, that make sure that you are keeping and getting your audience attention until they buy. Then we have bonus number 4. This is the VIP, baby. We got 4 days to grab this VIP one. This is 60 plus different softwares and underground techniques. Learn how to create a bigger and profitable online business with training from Jonah Armstrong, Brendan Mays, and more of the top vendors in the game right now. And you got bonus number 5, all of the vendor bonuses that I just went over on the sales page. If you're interested in getting any of my bonuses, baby, just make sure you hit up any of these green buttons and get your own copy of Money Grub, okay? If you want to hit your girl up on any social media, I got my YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook down here in the red, bright red for you guys to hit that link and connect with your girl on social media. Guys, I totally forgot I have that video on my bonus page. So, like I said, if you even want to watch this video right now, make sure you hit that link in my comments or in my description so you can watch this video, get a little bit more in detail with the guys who created this, okay? So let's go over that front end price, these upsells. So with the upsell, we have at $12.95, just the front end price, everything that I showed you in the members area, that's everything you will be receiving just for the small price of $12.95. Then we have upsells 1 through 5. So baby, if you want to get a little bit more in depth on these upsells and what they have to offer, come over to my bonus page, hit that link in my comments or in my description, and get a little bit more in depth on what these upsells have to offer. Baby, I'm running out of time with this review, so this is all I can show you. If you're interested in making money online, utilizing your YouTube channel, make sure you get this. Make sure you can test this out for 25 days, baby. And if it's not working, get your money back, but it is. So it's your girl, Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And I will see you in my next review.